pipe in lows is 4 inches by 1.5 by 5 with a cap. Another cap at the bottom. So I'm gonna drill a hole right here, another hole right here, and put the line. I'm gonna show you. Okay. I drill the hole. I put this for protection. Metal cap from my wife from the oven. Hope she's not mad. I'm gonna measure 9 inches from here, from here to here. Mark and make another. Height, 5 inches tall. 9 inches. 9 inches, metal underneath. The cap. Like a knife, go behind, go right here. See the 8?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this side is ready. This is the other side. Put the rope through the hole. No. You just attach this to the boat, and now you have the boat fenders or fenders board for the color. Now to storage, super easy. Cap off. Put the rope inside the fender. Just like that, and then you have to put the same on the other side. And then it's like a storage, and the cap is like the float. So you can carry this to the boat, or in the storage, and it's ready. Okay?
Thanks.
The two holes right here. This cost $30 in Lowe's. The 2 pieces of pipe.